Thanks for joining us on our math lesson today. Everyone say hello. Hello. Let's begin with our meditation. That's right. 2 fingers. Left hand in our lap. And close your eyes. Good job. Feel for boom, 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 boom in your heart center. Move your right hand to your lap. And let's end our meditation with 3 breaths together. 1, 2, and our last one, 3. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes. And let's begin our math lesson. In this lesson, we'll be doing some word problems with volume. So we'll have a demonstration for that at the end of our class, where students will be able to work on those word problems with some visualizations. And we'll begin with some math facts. So we're going to do division review, and we're going to have some friends do some practice with us at the board after a few to start. So we're going to practice division, friends. Help me out. We have 81 divided by 9. Raise your hand when you think you have an answer for that. Raise your hand when you think you have an answer. What is it? 1, 2, 3. 9. Very nice job. 56 divided by 8. Raise your hand when you have an answer. Keep it secret. Keep it secret. Raise your hand when you have an answer. 1, 2, 3. 7. Very nice job. Okay. $48 divided by 6. Raise your hand when you have an answer. Keep it secret. Keep it secret. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, I heard a couple different answers. What do you think? 8 or 7? 8. Okay, it's 8. Very nice. Very nice, friends. You're doing great. Here's an easy one. Secret. Keep it secret. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 10. Very nice job. 10. 60 divided by 6 is 10. Very nice. Good, I'm glad. Sounds like they're getting easier for all our friends because we have been practicing a lot. So we're going to do one more round at the board, then friends are going to get some markers and come up and try on their own. 42 divided by 6. Think about it. Keep it secret. Good. Keep it secret. 1, 2, 3, 7. Very nice. Very nice. 36 divided by 6. Good. I'm glad they're getting easy. Keep it secret till we count to 3. 1, 2, 3, 6. All right, friends. Divided by 6. 30 divided by 6. 1, 2, 3. 5. That's a good, easy one. Very nice. 63 divided by 9. 63 divided by 9. Raise your hand when you have an idea. Raise your hand when you have an idea. Good. 1, 2, 3, 7. Great job, friends. Great job. Okay, we're going to have our first 4 friends. Get a marker. Come on up. We're going to go like this. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? I'll put some lower for you, don't worry. No problem. You're over here, my friend. You're over here, my friend. Pot, you're going to come right here. Pen, you're here. Pat, boom, you're over there. That one's you. Here we go. Okay, our friends are going to work on their equations. Tell us your answer. Friends, if you're in the audience, you're quiet. You're listening. You're quiet. You're listening. Nadia, tell us what you have.
54 divided by 9 equals 6.
Very nice. Then Pen, tell us what you have. What do you have?
56 divided by 7 equals 8.
Very nice. You can erase. Pot, what do you have?
25 divided by 5 equals 5.
Very nice. You can erase. Pak Boom, what do you have? What do you have? Is that right? Check again. Check again. Check again. Check again. Okay, thank you, friends.
72 divided by 8 equals 9. 9 times 9 equals 72.
Very nice. You're good to erase. Our next 4 friends. Okay, tell us your problem. Is that right? Double check. Proud. Nid, come over here. Come over here. That's for you. That's for you. Pang Pang, you're here. You're here. You want a harder one? Harder one? Okay. What's this one? 9. Good. Okay. Okay. Read your problem for us.
45 divided by 5 equals 9.
Very nice. You're good to erase. Blackout. Tell us. Tell us your answer.
49 divided by 7 equals 7.
Very nice. You're good to erase. Okay, Proud. Tell us what you have.
27 divided by 10. 81 divided by 9 equals 9.
Very nice. You're good to erase. Okay, Pangpon, you're finished. Give Prao your eraser. Give Prao your eraser. Okay, you're done. Okay, 10 divided by 5. Help out our friend. What do we do? 10 divided by 5. 2. All right, 2. Okay, read our whole answer. 10 divided by 10 divided by, what number is this? 5 equals 2. Very nice. Okay, 2. Here you go. Down over here. 2. Don't put it in your mouth. Don't put it in your mouth. Okay. Count by 5s. Count by 5s.
5, 10, 15, 20.
What number are we looking for? We're looking for 15. Let's count by 5s. Here we go.
5, 10, 15.
15. How many do you have?
3.
There you go. Okay, tell us what you have.
24 divided by 4 equals 6.
Very nice. 2. Tell us what you have.
One more, teacher.
Tell us what you have. Tell us what you have. What's this number? 15. Divided by
5 equals 3.
Good. Okay, friends. Very nice job. We're going to review some volume vocabulary before we do our word problems. So when we talk about the volume of something, what are we measuring? The volume. If we have... Yeah, where are we measuring? Inside. We're measuring the inside. When we talk about volume, we're talking about the inside. Yeah, we've got all different kinds of things. But every time we're talking about volume, we're talking about measuring the inside. How big or how small that inside part is. So volume, what's the first sound you hear on volume? V. Wow. E. Great job, friends. Very nice spelling. Volume. Our volume. And volume, as we remember, is the inside. Inside of all of these different things. Are these all the same size or different sizes?
Different size.
Yeah, they're all different sizes. So they all have different volumes. The space inside is different for each thing because they're different sizes. Good, friends. And one of these sizes we used a water bottle. Do you remember how much fit in this water bottle? What the volume of this?
1,000
We're getting a lot of good ideas. A lot of good ideas, friends.
1,000 milliliters.
Yeah, very nice. Good thinking, friends. This bottle has 1,000 milliliters. 1,000 milliliters. And we use this bottle in some of our other lessons to measure a liter. Do you remember that lesson? We use these bottles to practice measuring the volume of different things. We used liters. So this bottle is 1 liter.
1 liter.
And how many milliliters did you tell me it was?
1,000.
1,000. So 1,000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. And that's what this looks like. This is 1 liter. Or we could put 1,000 milliliters inside this bottle. Okay? So when we use liters,
L.
we use this letter.
L.
The letter L. And that's a short way to write liters.
Liter.
Liters.
Liters.
What what two letters do we use to make a short way to write milliliters? ML, you got it. ML equals our milliliters. Can you help me spell the rest of the word? Very nice. Very nice job, friends. Liters, milliliters, and milliliters has that word liters right inside of it. So 1 liter equals how many milliliters?
1,000.
1,000 milliliters. So 1 liter, 1L, and we know that means liters, is equal to 1,000 milliliters. And when we see that ml, we know we're talking about milliliters. Very nice, friends. So what do you think, if you look at all of these different containers, what container do you think has the biggest volume? Yeah, probably your blue bowl, right? It's got the highest volume. It can fit the most things inside. This little tiny one? Good, friends. This has the lowest or the smallest volume. What does this one have? It's the biggest. It has the highest volume. This one? Smallest. It has the lowest volume. The lowest. Good. Practice ordering from highest volume, biggest, to smallest volume, the lowest. Okay, so what do you think? What's our smallest volume over here? The water bottle is our smallest? Smallest? Okay. Like this? Okay, our lowest to our highest. Good. Okay, what if we add in some more things? Now what do you think is our smallest? Okay. The pink cup? Clear. Clear. Because we can see through it. Okay. And the green cup. Okay, is that from highest to lowest?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Lowest to highest. Good job, friends. I can't trick you. This way is highest to lowest. Very nice. Yeah, it's like a little step. It's like little steps. Good. Okay, friends, what if we add in our other things? Where should those go?
I'm getting.
Can you come up and show us? Can you come show us? How would we put all those from lowest volume all the way up to highest volume over here? Okay. So we want lowest to highest. You still have these 3 to go. 1, 2, 3. What's their order? Where do they go? Think about the volume, the space inside. Very nice. Okay. Cool. Does it all fit? Very nice. Okay. Is this right, friends? Our volume from lowest, smallest, all the way to highest, biggest?
Yeah.
What do you think? Does that look right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's pretty good. We've got our lowest volume all the way up to our highest volume with our big blue bowl. Okay, very nice, friends. We're going to take a little stretch break before our word problem, so everybody stand up. Stand up tall. Put your arms up high. Shake all your fingers out. Very nice. Spin your hands forwards and backwards. Good. Put your arms in a T. And give yourself a hug. Put your arms in a T and touch your toes. Come up halfway. halfway and swing your arms like they're very heavy. You can get some monkey jumps if you'd like. Very nice, friends. Good job. Stand up straight and tall. Stand up straight and tall. Turn to your neighbor. Everyone find a neighbor.
Hello. Hello.
Tell that neighbor hello. With each hand. With each hand. Give that neighbor high fives up top, in the middle, and the bottom. Shake 2 hands with your neighbor. Shake 1 hand with your neighbor. Spin your neighbor. Get some spins for yourself. Or do the double spin. Good job, friends. Tell your neighbor thank you. And you're welcome. Good job. 3 big claps. 3 jumps. 3 small steps. And 3 spins. 3 spins. Okay, good job, friends. Everybody take a seat. Next, we're going to do some word problems together. We're going to go through addition, subtraction, some multiplication, and division, thinking about volume. So we're going to practice with some of our containers. And I'm going to just tell you to pretend what the volume is. It might be different than what it really is, but we're going to just think about this with numbers, with volume, so we can practice, okay? So we're going to make some equations together on the board, and we'll add them together, and we'll move through subtraction and multiplication and division. Okay, friends? So you're going to listen. We're going to write some equations on the board together so that we can practice, and you write them on your paper at your desk, okay? So I have 75 milliliters in this bottle.
I have
So I have 75 milliliters in this bottle. So we have 75.
Write 75.
Yep, on your paper you can write 75 milliliters. We're going to pretend that we have 75 milliliters inside this bottle. So you're going to write 75 milliliters. Let's see. We're going to read the story first. I have 75 milliliters in this bottle. And I have 43 milliliters in this bottle. What is the total volume of the 2 bottles? I have 75 milliliters in this bottle. I have 43 milliliters in this bottle. What is the total volume of the 2 bottles? So we're going to add, because we want to know the total. How many milliliters were in this bottle?
75.
75. How many milliliters were in this bottle? 43. Good, 43. So we're going to add plus 43.
All together is 118.
And our equals means all together. All together. So if we have to on the side, it's totally cool to just go 75 plus 43.
5 plus 3 equals 8. 7 plus 4 equals 11.
Very nice. And we do our ones place and then our tens place. What's our whole answer?
118.
118. So that's how we solve those problems. Okay, friends? We'll do a couple more addition problems like that. So now we're going to pretend our bottle has 136 milliliters. We have 136 milliliters in this bottle.
30.
And I have 45 milliliters in this bottle.
45.
45 milliliters in this bottle. What is the volume of the bottles all together?
All
all together. What does that mean? Plus or minus?
Plus 45. 175.
Okay, friends, so we want to think about the volume of those together. All together. When we hear all together, that means we're going to add. We're going to do plus. Down.
This ml or plus.
Yep, you can do ml because we're adding those milliliters together.
100.
We're adding those milliliters together.
175. 81. 130.
Okay.
130.
Good, friends. Let's do another one. Let's do another one. You're going to have to listen. So everybody stop talking so that you can listen. We're going to do the same thing again. So think about the numbers you hear and get ready to listen. We have 172 milliliters in this bottle. We have 172 milliliters in this bottle. We have 58 milliliters in this bottle. We have 58 milliliters in this bottle. What is the total volume altogether? So think about what numbers you heard, friends. Think about what numbers you heard.
158.
Okay. So if we have all together, what are we going to do? When we hear that word all together, what should we do? Subtract? We need to add. So what should we do to make the equation for this last problem, friends? 72.
172.
Good, 172.
Plus 58.
And we've got milliliters plus 58 milliliters equals blank. What do you think? What's the answer? Good. You can add it up on the side just like this. We'll put our numbers on the side here. 172 plus 58. How do we solve this equation? Like that? Oh, the one on the top. Okay. 2. Okay, very nice. So we have 230 milliliters all together. 230 ml. Okay, let's do one more, friends. This will be our last with addition. Our last with addition. So listen to the numbers. Listen to the numbers. We have 547 milliliters in this bottle. 547 milliliters in this bottle. We have 547 milliliters in this bottle. We have, hold on, friends. Listen. We have 371 milliliters in this bottle. 371. 371. And we want to know what is the total volume of these two bottles all together. What's our total volume of these two bottles all together?
115.
Can you do it on the board for us? Can you show us? You're welcome. So take a look at your equation. Lackal's going to show us if we've got it right. Do it over here, my friend. Make it nice and big. Nice and big.
916.
She's going to Show us what we did here. Make sure your numbers are correct. Very nice. Nice and big. We've got 547 plus 371. If you do it on the side on your paper, that's cool. She's adding up the ones first. Very nice. We've got our ones place. How do we find our tens place? How do we find our tens place?
1 equals 8.
7 plus 1 equals 8. Good. That's our ones place. Now we need our tens place.
7 plus 4 equals 11.
11. How do we write that?
And
A 1.
on top 5.
Okay, cool. So we have 1 plus 5 plus 3.
3 equals 9. 9 then 8.
Good job, friends. You got it.
Altogether 1 is 9.
Very nice. Very nice, friends. So double check your answer. Make sure you got the same one as let go. Great job. Thank you, friend. You're good to erase.
No, altogether 1 on top this.
That's okay. That's okay. If you can think about it, that's cool. Okay, friends, we're going to move on to subtraction. We're going to do subtraction now. Subtraction. Subtraction. Thank you. So same thing. Get ready to listen. We have 794 milliliters in this bottle. We have 794 milliliters in this bottle. Okay? 794 milliliters in this bottle. We're going to pour out 243 milliliters. 243 milliliters. Think about how you can write that as an equation. We're using subtraction now. So we had 794 milliliters with our full bottle. And then we poured out 243 milliliters. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Can you reach this one? You think you can reach it? Okay, come. Sorry, this one's kind of tall. I thought I was going to finish this one, so can you write the equation for us? You don't need to erase. Here, we'll put it lower. Get your paper. Can you write the equation for us?
Right.
You can get your paper. That's cool. We'll move it down lower.
Yeah.
Okay. 794 milliliters we started with. We poured out 243. Let's find out how many are left. How many are left? When we hear that left, we know they're talking about subtraction. Great job. What's our answer?
551.
Very nice. Great work. Great work. Okay, friends, we have 551 milliliters. We have 551 milliliters in this bottle. We're going to pour out 364 milliliters.
364.
364 milliliters we're pouring out. 364 milliliters we're pouring out. We want to know how many are left. We started with 551 in our bottle from our last problem. And then we poured even more water out. So we're taking away, we're subtracting. We're subtracting. Subtraction. Subtraction. Might have to do some borrowing. Minus.
150.
Minus.
300.
How much do we pour out? How much do we pour out, friends?
300. I got it. You're right, Papa.
How many milliliters do we pour out, friends?
384.
Okay, very nice. Pak Boom, you can make the equation for us. Can you write the equation? Okay, here you go. Show us what you did. We started 551 minus
364.
Okay, good. Very nice. Can we take 4 away from 1?
No.
No, we need to do something. Show us what we need to do. Show us what we need to do. Good job.
10, 9, 8, 7,
7.
6.
Again. 7. 7. Okay. Ooh, we've got to borrow 2 times. Okay.
14.
14. Good.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 8.
Good. 8.
This is 1.
1. Very nice, friends. We had to do a lot of borrowing in that. Great work. Great work. We had to do some borrowing in there, so double check your answer. If you've got it right, make sure you've got it right. Okay. Okay, friends, we're now going to switch. We're going to switch to time. Great job. We're going to do multiplication. Multiplication. Good, good. Okay, we're going to do multiplication. So get ready to listen. There are 4. Listen up, friends. There are 4 bottles of soda. There are 4 bottles of soda. 4 bottles of soda. The volume of each bottle of soda is 300 milliliters. The volume of each bottle of soda is 300 milliliters. And there are 4 bottles of soda. 300 milliliters. What? There are 300 milliliters. Hold on, friends. Listen. Listen. There are 300 milliliters. Listen up. 300 milliliters. And there are 4 bottles of soda. How many milliliters do we have with all 4 bottles of soda? What do you think?
304.
Yep.
Right there, teacher.
4 bottles times 300 milliliters. You got it. So we've got 4 bottles, right? 4 bottles times how many milliliters inside each bottle? 300.
I got it.
What's our total?
40.
A little different.
400.
We're going to do times. We're going to do times. Times. So we're going to do 400 times 3. Or 4 times 300. And we have our 300 times 4. What's 4 times 0?
0.
What's 4 times 0?
0.
0. What's 4 times 3?
4 times 3. 12.
12. Good. 12. So that's how we get our answer. 1,200 milliliters or 1,200. Okay, good job, friends. Listen again. Listen again. many friends is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 friends. What letter does their name all start with?
5. P.
P. So our 5 friends are going to drink some sodas. They're going to drink some sodas. The volume of each soda is 500 milliliters. The volume of each soda is 500 milliliters.
Minus 500.
The volume of each soda is 500 milliliters. How many friends do we have sharing the soda? 5. So think about what we did here. See if on your paper you can write the equation. We're doing times, multiplication. We've got 5 friends. They're each going to have 500 milliliters of soda. Pan, pon, prow, pen, pen, pot, and pack, boom. All our friends with the letter P. So 5 friends. Each friend has 500 milliliters of soda. We want to know how many milliliters altogether. So you can write down here for us. Prow's going to show us what answer she got. So double check your answers. Make sure she did a good job. Make sure it's on your paper. Good job. Yep, we're doing times. We're doing times. Okay, let's take a look. What do we have? What's our answer?
2,500.
500. What 2 letters do we need right here?
ML.
ML. Very nice. We had 5 friends. Pang, pon, pot, pack, boom, prow, and pen, pen. They each got to drink 500 liters of soda. All together, they had 2,500 milliliters. Good job, friends. Okay, we're going to do division. Move on to division. Flip it over if you need extra room. Okay. Here comes our next one. Nadir, need, and down and 2. How many friends is that?
6.
Is that 6 friends? 4. Who do we have? Nadir, Nid, down, 2. 4 friends. Okay, friends, we're doing division, divided by. Our 4 friends are going to share some tea. Our 4 friends are going to share some tea. They're going to share it. Our friends, 4 friends, are going to share 800 milliliters of tea. Our 4 friends are going to share 800 milliliters of tea. And we're doing divided by. How can our 4 friends share 800 milliliters of tea? How can we make an equation for that? How can we make an equation for our 4 friends to share 800 milliliters of tea? You want to switch those? We need our biggest number first. We need our biggest number first. That looks great. What? That looks wonderful. That's correct. Those are right. Because we did multiplication, we did times, now we're doing division. Now we're doing division. Okay, how many milliliters do we have, friends?
2,200.
A little bit different. Hold on, we're going to talk through this one. How many milliliters do we have in our kettle, friends? 800 milliliters. So that goes first. Our biggest number goes first in division. 800 milliliters divided by. We're dividing by for these. How many friends do we divide by? Nadia, Nid, down, and 2. 4 about that answer, friends. 800 milliliters of tea that we're going to share with 4 friends. 4 friends. Close. Think about 8 divided by 4, friends. That's a clue for this problem.
8,200.
What's 800? What's 8 divided by 4?
Equals
8 divided by 4.
17.
Divided by, friends. Divided by means we're breaking it all up. Divided by, it's the opposite of times. What's 8 divided by 2? 8 divided by 4. I gave you a clue there. Close. Friends, what's 8 divided by 2?
2.
I said it again. 8 divided by 2 equals what? 4. What's 8 divided by 4?
2.
Equals 2. You can use this information to help you solve an answer for this.
2.
What's 800 divided by 4?
800 equals 2.
Equals 2?
100.
200. Good. Equals 200. 200. So you can think about some simple math facts. When you have a big number with hundreds, you can think about some simple math facts to help you answer that one. Okay. We've got Letgo, Teacher Lauren, and Pot are going to drink some tea.
3 friends.
How many friends do we have?
3 friends.
We have 3 friends. Now we have 900 milliliters of tea. We have 900 milliliters of tea for me, Letgo, and Pot. Think about how we could make that into an equation with divided by. Yep. With divided by. Divided by. So we've got 900 milliliters of tea. How many friends are drinking tea? How many friends are drinking tea?
1, 2,
3. Close. Close. Close.
Yes.
That's times. That's correct for times, but we need divided by. So friends, for division, we take our biggest number. We take our biggest number, that goes first. What's our biggest number? 900 or 3? 900. So 900 milliliters. Divided by how many friends? 3. Divided by, friends, divided by. A lot of our friends are doing multiplication. We need to switch it. Divided by. Think about 9 divided by 3. 300. 9 divided by 3. What's 9 divided by 3? 900 divided by 3 equals what? 300. Okay? So remember, you can use your math facts when you have big numbers in the hundreds. Okay, friends? We're going to do one last one. We're going to do one last one. So think about the same way we did all of these different problems. We did them all the same way. Okay? Now we're going to have 7 friends. 7 friends. Okay, let go, pack boom, crow, pang pong, down. Nadia Pot. How many friends is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, we've got 7 friends. We've got 7 friends. They're gonna drink tea.
9, 1.
They're gonna drink tea. So listen. Listen up, friends. We've got 1,400 milliliters of tea.
1,400.
1,400 milliliters of tea.
So big.
It is big. That our 7 friends are going to drink together. So how can we make that an equation? How much tea will each friend get? Think about your math facts. Think about your math facts. Switch those. We want our biggest number first. Is 7 bigger than 1,400? No. You got the idea though. Just switch those 2 numbers. We want our biggest number first in division, friends. We want our biggest number first. Where is it? Which one? That's our biggest number. We want that first. Good. Biggest number divided by. That's what we want to divide by 7. We want to divide that by 7. Okay. Close, not 1,000. So how much tea do we have, friends? How much tea do we have?
1,400.
1,400 milliliters. How many friends are we going to share with?
7.
7. What should I put here?
7. Divided by.
Divided by, and then our 7. Okay. For math facts, you want to think about this equation. 14.
2.
Good. So if this is 2,
200.
what's this answer?
2,400. 2,700.
Okay, let's look at this.
200,000.
14 divided by 7 is 2.
200.
So this, we've got our 2 zeros. We're going to move those over here. 200 milliliters. Okay, friends? So we're just going to think about the volume as an easy way to do some division problems. Whenever you have big numbers with hundreds, you can always try to think of them as math facts, okay? So maybe we'll get some more practice with that later. Thanks for joining us for this math lesson. Everyone say goodbye.
Bye.